Another thing for me, Sid,
Yeah.
which is dear to my heart, is why is it we are removing the king, but we're still saying we should come to London and have in London the seat of our judicial, the final,
The Privy
the
Council.
Privy Council.
Mm.
We can do better than that. And I don't know why. It just defeats logic.
Mm.
It's easier to abolish appeals to the Privy Council than it is procedurally to remove the king.
Wow.
But we have decided to remove the king, but we still want to come to the king's court.
So tell me, so what would you do then? What would you say then if put to the people, because Malahoo Fort said, let's get this done in May. We're going to put to the people, say, our way forward based on the consensus. And I don't know why they want to have all this consensus. We're going to go for a ceremonial president. Now, that is going to be put before the table, Matunda. Ceremonial president and removing the king. What are you going to say about that?
I say that the people of Jamaica, when it comes to referendum, must abstain. Abstain, or if you turn up, vote no.
Yeah.
Abstain or vote no. Because what you've been given is a sham. What you've been given, all you will be asked effectively is, do you want to remove the king? Yes. But what will replace the king? Will your governance structure be changed? Which it must do, because what we inherited in our Whitehall Constitution, not even a Westminster Constitution, a Whitehall Constitution, yes?
Was in the backside of some office in the Whitehall that the Constitution was even drafted.
Yes. It's a Whitehall Constitution. Yeah. And it has not served us well. The governance structure will not change. These people who are reviewing our Constitution, they're not interested. They're not interested in a radical shake-up of the governance structure that can deliver for every single Jamaican in the next 20 years. And that is why I'm saying vote no, or if you turn up, vote no or stay home.
And mark you, by doing so, that doesn't mean to say that's the end of the game. What we do is we want to get leaders and persons who are very creative and can get us what we want and have fundamental consultation with the people.
Of course.
And yeah, we are in the diaspora, but we are Jamaican. I'm from Ochiru Sentan.
And I'm from Clarendon.
From Clarendon, straight out of yard.
Yes.
So therefore, that is so very much important.
I Jamaica is dear to my heart. I think and breathe Jamaica every single day.
Yes.
Okay? I'm interested in Jamaica, but I'm not interested in a sham review. A pia business.
You ever said the words, pia, so people know.
Business that. We're bigger than that.
Dibby, squab.
Yes, some dibby business. We're bigger than that.
Yes.
We're bigger than that.
Yes.
You tell me that we have 14 eminent Jamaicans and they're sitting in the room and they can't come up with a process by which people will be truly consulted, and two, they can't come up with a radical way to change the way we're governed. No.
And I hope this video is seen, because what the minister should be aware, the prime minister and opposition and everyone should be aware that the consultation which is happening presently with the 14, it should be streamed. We are in this era where we can stream everything. Let people see what is happening. Let the deliberation. The minutes.
Where are the minutes?
Where are the minutes?
Where are the minutes?
It's not something for 14 people or 63 people. This is the nation of Jamaica.
This is a joke, man. This is a joke.
People
must stay home.
Yes.
Or if they go and vote no.
Yes.
Send them a clear message.
Yes.
Use your vote to send a clear message. Rip up the ballot or vote no or don't turn up at all.
Yes.
Send a clear message that governance is important and consulting people is part of governance.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. And yes, we are in the King's Manor. Making the declaration. See you later. Thank you.
See you later.